Let's take a look at the Suruthi for Performing Arts nonprofit in New Jersey and its incredible efforts in empowering the greater community with South Asian culture and arts. Popularly called Suruthi, the organization promotes Indian art and culture and educates and enriches all through dance, music, theater, arts, and crafts. Suruthi also hosts numerous events throughout the year to enhance its efforts of cultural integration. On that, recently, Suruthi for Performing Arts hosted the second International Rakhi Festival outside Amir Restaurant in Jersey City. The event celebrated Indian festival of Raksha Bandhan, a beautiful occasion which highlights the bond between a brother and a sister and it signifies brotherhood, acceptance, protection with mutual respect. This year, Suruthi extended this meaning of Raksha Bandhan to embrace people from all over and encourage cross-cultural exchange and dialogue. Spreading messages of love and peace, here are some highlights of the second International Rakhi Festival.
Hi, I'm Rimli Roy, founder and artistic director of Suruthi for Performing Arts. We are here to celebrate our second International Rakhi Festival outdoors here in Jersey City at Amia Restaurant. We are globalizing the concept of Rakhi, which began as a traditional family event within India where the sister ties the Rakhi on the brother and the brother blesses her and the sister prays for the brother's long life and the brother offers a bond of protection for life. Today, we've invited police officers from Jersey City Police Department. Unfortunately, the fire department officers could not make it. But we are trying to globalize Rakhi. We're expecting a lot more people from the community to come out to promote brotherhood, sisterhood, inter-community ties, peace, understanding, and mutual respect. We're trying to globalize Rakhi. So this is the Globalized Rakhi movement. And we always thank ITV to be here and support us. Thank you.
It's very nice to be here and celebrate with Rimli and some of the activists and community members in the Indian American community. I would just say about Suruthi that what they've done over the last couple of years with educating people that aren't familiar with Indian customs is really amazing. And so we're lucky to have you here in Jersey City. And I'm proud and happy that I see you growing all the time. It's really great. Thank you.
I'm here. Rimli invited me and thank you so much, Rimli, for this opportunity. So I'm displaying my book here, which is on Raksha Bandhan. And it talks about how Raksha Bandhan is celebrated, its significance in today's life, where the protagonist of the book ties a Rakhi to firefighter. And then it also says the legend how the Rakhi started. So it's all there for kids to know about the festival and enjoy the whole feel of this festival. Beautiful festival which is all about love, respect, protection. Thank you so much.
Some interesting stories of Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan, meaning bond of protection, which is an Indian festival signifying the promise to protect. This occasion is celebrated on the full moon of the Indian month of Shravan in the lunar calendar and in August in the Gregorian calendar. On this auspicious day, sisters tie a Rakhi or a pretty bracelet of colorful threads around the wrist of their brothers, praying for their health and well-being. The brothers in their turn give their sisters gifts as a pledge of their support and protection if ever the need arises. The Rakhi, as this wristband is popularly known, is considered sacred because it is a token of a promise, and the occasion is celebrated with great reverence, gusto, and flourish. Through this Rakhi festival and movement, we hope to spread the message of love and peace by inviting members of the community to celebrate this happy occasion with us. Come, let us celebrate and share the spirit of Rakhi with joy and festivity.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Rimli Roy, founder and artistic director of Surati for Performing Arts. We are here to celebrate our second International Rakhi Festival. And with me today, I have Priya Kumari, who has written the book My Raksha Bandhan. We are very, very excited to have her here today at our festival.
The book I wrote on Raksha Bandhan is called My Raksha Bandhan, and it talks about the tradition, how it is celebrated, the legend behind it, and the cultural relevance of this festival even today, where the main character of the book, Tara, ties Rakhi to firefighters. And then the special full moon day, which is of Shravan Purnima, is celebrated in many ways across India. So there's a map at the end which explains how all the other festivals are celebrated in India, the Haigriva Jayanti, Nirali Purnima. So it's a huge day for Hindus, for our tradition. And now this same festival is not just for brother and sister, it's for siblings, it's for anyone who serves our society. It's across all genders and all borders, and it can be just a bond of protection, a universal friendship day probably. Yeah, thank you so much. And the book also won Purple Dragonfly Award this year, which I'm really happy of. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you everybody for coming out. This is such an amazing event, especially within the LGBTQ community. We really focus on inclusivity and things of that nature. So thank you so much for bringing even more inclusive events to the Jersey City area. The Jersey City Pride Festival 2021 is being held this Saturday, the 21st, at the Newark Pedestrian Plaza. It's also going to be in the Grove Street Path Plaza. It's going to be a really amazing event, 70 plus vendors. We're going to have 2 stages, a lot of performances from some amazing LGBTQ artists. And thank you so much for having us, and we would love to see all of you there and, feel the support. We try to come out and support the community in any way we can, and we really appreciate when you show up and support us in any way you can.
Hello, my name is Girish. Happy Rakhi.
Happy Rakhi. Happy Rakhi.